Hey, what's up guys? So if you have the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3, so there's a new update available that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video we will check out that update. First of all, simply open your Galaxy Buds, then turn on your Bluetooth. Now after turning on your Bluetooth, you will see a pop-up like this and the new update might appear directly. You can get to see this new update directly like this, or if not, you can check for the update by simply going into the settings of your device, then scroll all the way up and you will get to see an option of Buds over here. Now from here, scroll all the way down and tap on Earbuds software update, then tap on download and install. Now from here you will get to see the new update. If you talk about that what's new, so it includes some stability and reliability improvements with some battery charging stability. The main highlight is of battery charging stability, which is improved with this new update. If you talk about the update size, so the update size is 7.30 MB in size. Also keep in mind that these changes might vary on different model, country or the network operator. And also keep in mind that during this update you will be unable to use your Galaxy Buds. Also, some of the changes of the Galaxy Bud might also change after this new update. So simply tap on update and the update will download on your phone. Once the update is downloaded, it will install it. I will quickly fast forward this part of the video. In my case, it took 2 minutes to install this update. So make sure to install it when your buds are completely free, as you will be unable to use your Galaxy Buds during this installation process. And once the update is complete, when you will tap on this Galaxy Buds option in the settings, you will get to see this option of update. And no need to worry, this one will not take that time. And that's it, the update is now installed on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. There is no such changes in the settings, but there are some battery charging stability improvements. Also, when we will check for the new update, it will say that your Earbuds software update is on the latest version. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new update available for the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 that you guys might be missing out. So check out this update. Also let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your Samsung Galaxy Buds or not yet. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.